Hi everyone, today in this tutorial I will show you how can you install Jupyter Notebook on your Linux operating system. For doing this, first of all, open your favorite web browser. Here I am opening my Brave web browser. After opening this, you need to type Anaconda. Click the first link. Here is the interface for Anaconda web app. Here you can see here are five type of edition: individual edition, commercial edition, team edition, enterprise edition and professional services. But here I am going to install individual edition because it is open source. It means it's totally free. Here click the download button. You can choose your destination for downloading this file. I have already downloaded it. Here the downloaded file. Right click, open in terminal. Here type ls. You can find your Anaconda. So let's open the installation section. Here you can see to use GUI. If you want to use GUI packages with Linux, you can go through them, but I am not going to do this. Next, installation step. Here in the third line, you need to install Python 3.7. You must need Python 3.7 at least for doing this installation. Here type the following command called bash anaconda and 3-2021.11 dash linux x86 _64.sh. Here this line I am going to copy this, copy and paste it here. Enter. Enter. It says no such file or directory. Why? Okay, no problem. Let's run it again. In this time I am going to type bash / anaconda 3 and dot. The previous command isn't working, so I am going to do this. Here you can see welcome to Anaconda 3 2021.11. In order to continue the installation processes, please review the license agreement. Please press enter. Okay, here you can see the copyright text user license agreement. Read the following articles about Anaconda. For reading this, you need to press enter a few times, or you can press enter a long time for complete the following terms and services. You need to type enter multiple times for reading this totally. Here you can see Please answer yes or no. It says, do you accept the license terms? Here I am typing yes. Press enter. Here it says Anaconda will now be installed into your location. Here is my default path, home Maruf Anaconda 3. Please enter to confirm the location. Enter. Here you can see it saves the path prefix / home Maruf Anaconda 3. It's the default path for my Anaconda environment. Here you can see unpacking payload. It is unpacking the whole packages and plugins. You need to wait a few minutes for completing the whole process. Here you can see it is extracting my package .sh file, preparing transaction, executing transaction. Here it says done, installation finished. Do you wish to initialize Anaconda tree by running conda init? Here I am typing yes. Press enter. Here it says thank you for installing Anaconda tree. Working with Python and Jupyter Notebooks, it is a breeze with PyCharm Pro. I am not going to install PyCharm Pro. Next, here you can type this line conda list for see the output of conda. But here it says command not found. It means conda is not available here. Don't worry, now copy the command Anaconda navigator, paste the command, paste it here. It says Anaconda navigator command not found. Why? Okay, I'm going to close the previous window and open a new window. Here you can see it says base. It means Anaconda successfully installed on my Linux operating system. You can see in the previous terminal Anaconda navigator command not found, but the new terminal Anaconda navigator is opening my Anaconda application. Here voila, you can see Anaconda navigator is opened. Close the previous terminal. Here you can see some packages is installed by default: Spyder, Qt console, notebook, Jupyter Lab, data store, VS Code, etc. If I click Jupyter Notebook, you can see Jupyter Notebook is opened in the default path localhost 8888. Here you can see the base directory of Anaconda 3 in my home. Here are some packages. A lot of packages are available here. Close this. Let's create a new Jupyter Notebook file. Here type print hello world. Click run. Here you can see the output. Type 2 plus 2 and press run. You can see the output. Okay, we are finally successfully installed Jupyter Notebook. 5 divided by 3, 1.667. Okay, now we are going to save this file. Save as. I am going to name this test. Click save. Okay, done. Open the file manager and going to desktop. Here you can see test IP YNB file. Delete this. Here you cannot see any software called Anaconda Navigator. But you need to run this software by using your command line. You cannot find it in your application menu. Run Anaconda Navigator again. It is opening. Wait a few seconds. Here you can see the previous window, and I am going to launch the Spyder environment. It is opening now. You can also run your Python code Spyder. Type print hello world. Run this. Execute in current console. Click run. Here you can see the output hello world. Zoom the back left terminal. It is working perfectly. Okay, done. Let's close this. Run it again. Now Qt console. Here you can also type your Python code. Type print hello world. Press enter. Voila, you can see the output hello world. Type 2 plus 2. Yes, it's 4. It's working perfectly. Close this Jupyter Qt console. Now open Jupyter Lab. It is opening on this location. Here are a lot of options available here. Click terminal. It is going to open my default terminal. Here you can see it's my default terminal. Type Python 3, enter. Type print hello world, enter. Yes, hello world printed. Open IPYNB. It's also a Jupyter Notebook file. Type printf print hello world. Click the run button. Hello world printed. 2 plus 2 run is equal to 4. Done. You can see this file in your home directory. I'm going to delete this. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want to run Jupyter Notebook direct in your using your terminal, type Jupyter Notebook. It will open Jupyter Notebook in the default location, localhost 8890. Here you can run your code, create new files, folders, etc. If I open the previous file test.ipynb, it's working perfectly. Done. Here you can see, type printf, type print I am from Bangladesh. Click the run button. It is successfully printed. Now save this file. Again click save. Here you can see in the left terminal it is updating, saving file at desktop test.ipynb. If you want to close this or shut down the notebook server, you need to type Y. It says shutdown confirmed.